not allowed to. Parliament is finished, judiciary, it takes 25-30 years to decide a case finally. Is this a judiciary or a joke? And half of the judiciary has become corrupt. I know, I was part of the system. Bureaucracy is largely corrupt. Everything has collapsed in this country. Now then, it is all a empty shell, hollow.
Pachari is coming to you with facts and figures, with rarity and reality, with annotations and authenticity. For your audacity and addiction, for your joy and peace, for your benefit and welfare, for your day and the dream, for your drift and draft, for your ease and essence, for your gain and loss, for your knowledge and appraisal, for your presumption and petness, for your relief and ratification, for your valor and verity, for your pain and pleasure, for your wonder and wonder. No matter how good and how bad you have it, someone, somewhere and something is desperately feasting your body, mind and the soul towards destruction. From birth to death. Please come forward towards PINT, Pachari Yoga International Trust, for free online postulations in Facebook, Twitter, Blogger and YouTube. Thank you and goodbye. Thank you and goodbye. Hello, this is Pachari, the Value Analyst from the Institution of Valuers, New Delhi. This is Pachari, the Chartered Engineer from the Institution of Engineers, Kolkata. This is Pachari, the Technologist from the PhD College of Engineering and Technology in the University of Madras. This is Pachari, the Cost Analyst from the University of Bombay. This is Pachari, the Panel Valuer at financial institutions in India with an experience in drafting assessment and valuation reports of over 500 investors and their modes and values. And this is Pachari, the sole mandate holder and sole yoga worker, coming to you with yoga postulations at Pachari Yoga International Trust, that is PINT, with YPMFS practices, that is yoga, pranayama, meditation, better food and changed social life habits, all towards VALP, that is value added longevity of peaceful and painless life.
Hello, Mr. Markandeya Katsu. You come to the Twitter. Thank you, my lord. You still remain to be a lord in my heart. Because you tell something about the judges that is very useful to me, my lord. I can openly go and say that District Munisip S. Muthukumaravel is a blind buffalo. District Munisip S. Muthukumaravel is a blind buffalo for issuing concocted, corrupted, mollified, illegal interim injunction number 81 of 2014. And I am able to say one Muslim judge, woman judge by name Barsat Begum is also an illiterate Muslim judge, and she should be sent to Pakistan for hanging because India will not heed to justice. Especially political parties listen to only injustice and sob in their face for the next election. What is this, my lord, now? Please tell me, my lord. Markandeya Katsu. Please tell me, my lord. Markandeya Katsu. When order is based on injustice, yes, sir, the order given in in a case OS 30 of 2014 is mollified, illegal, concocted, injustice, corrupted. That is OS 30 of 2014. Okay, sir, what is this? When order is based on injustice, disorder is the beginning of justice. Very good. Thank you, my lord. Thank you, my lord. The case foisted on me by my tenant and illiterate, corrupt advocate, Mr. S. Murugadas, with enrollment number 2094 of 2003. My lord, Mr. Markandeya Katsu, I want this fellow to be dismissed from the Bar Council of Tamil Nadu, sir. Will you help me, sir? I will surrender unto your feet. I don't have a shame.
That a vast number of the cases are unnecessarily entertained in the name of public interest. I only wanted to remind ourselves that people who make law also are aware of the public interest. They are also conscious of the public morality. They are also in the knowledge of the constitutional morality.
To me, a judge who hears a case must deliver a judgment preferably within a month, and in any case within 3 months, as has been cautioned by Justice Thomas in the judgment. Not more than 3 months. Then what happens if a judge does not deliver a judgment in 3 months? I would tell the Chief Justice, whether it is Chief Justice of India or Chief Justice of the High Court concerned, should not allocate work to a judge who has judgments pending.
It is also for everybody. Yes, because we are interested in the institution. Either myself, my brother, or the VP, or Mr. Rajagopal, or the other advocates, and Mr. Pankanagara, and Mr. India Prasad. Everybody is interested in the institution.
May I make a mention that in the contempt proceedings, the charges were so far not framed, before ever Mulad framed our charges. The parties are Mulad if inquired. That is the legal charges to be framed, then Mulad.
Now I will pass the order. Please, 1 minute, yes. The last paragraph. We have no fear or hesitation in dealing with the matter and punish the contemnant properly according to law. However, on the facts and circumstances, we are of the view that taking action only against Mr. P. Dharmaraj and Mr. A.K. Ramasamy, the contemnant's hearing would not be sufficient to provide to persist illegal activities, which is going a number of years after the constitution of Madurai bench. A suggestion was placed before us by persons interested in the institution to consider concurrent filing of cases at the principal bench or closure of the Madurai bench for a certain period. Similarly, direction to the High Court administration to prevent illegal activities of certain group of lawyers. Similarly, to decide security arrangement to be made by the central uniformed force. We find it reasonable that larger bench has to be constituted, preferably headed by the Chief Justice, to give a full stop to the illegal activities of certain lawyers acting against the judicial institution, one of the important pillars of democracy, and also against majority of the advocates interested in the profession. But this is directed to place this matter before the Honorable Chief Justice for passing appropriate orders. We feel, I myself feel, that it should be placed before a larger bench to give a quiet test. Because today Mr. Branarji is available, Mr. A.K. Ramsamy is available. Tomorrow some other Kupusa may, Patrika may be available. But we have no grudge against this person or any other person. But the institution should function properly. Therefore we need a proper guidelines from the Chief Justice.
Pachari Yoga International Trust is yoga and knowledge that cares more for the judges, registry, advocates, bar counsel, and the clients as well.
Hello. Forget all these things and try to learn yoga. Forget the politics. Forget the games. Forget eating in hotel. Forget your friends. But perform yoga. Okay?
This is a mindless litigation, and it's not a stray case. This kind of litigation goes on in this country every day, in many courts. But I don't understand. I can multiply the examples. If only I'm given time, in the next 10 minutes, I can tell you 10 examples which I dealt personally. It requires a clear policy on the part of the state. When I'm talking, private litigants need not have a policy because they are individuals. They have no obligation to the rest of the society, barring moral obligations or legal obligations stipulated by the law. But in the matter of litigation, they don't owe any obligation.
Pachari Yoga International Trust is yoga and knowledge that cares more for the judges, registry, advocates, bar counsel, and the clients as well.